Hey everybody, welcome back to Sweet Willy's Kitchen. Hope everybody's doing well. It is, I guess, the middle of June. It's the beginning of the summer, and hope this video finds you well. The weather's been good on and off here in the Northeast, so I've spent a little bit more time than usual on the golf course. So we've got an overcast day. It's a Saturday, so we're going to be making a series of videos today. I've got some cool stuff to show you, but the thing that we're going to start off with this morning, and we're going to go with, is the next two videos are going to feature one of the knife companies that we received product from, and that was the folks at EnoKing. Now, if you remember, these were the guys who gave me this guy, the big cleaver, and the Serbian knife. So they asked me, what else would you like to do for us? So I said, well, what else you got? So they are sending me something that we thought, well, you get all these knives, where we're going to put them. And I keep all my knives in the drawer, and I have one of these holders, one of these wood holders. I'll show you what this is. I have one of these wood holders here for the drawer, and I've had it since we started the kitchen, where I put all my knives in one of these wood holders here. You can see all my knives are in here, and it goes into the drawer, and that's all well and good, but I'm finding I'm opening up the drawer, closing up the drawer, and if I got people here and everything, that's what happens. So they said, hey, would you like to, we're going to send you something, maybe would help you move things around easier in the kitchen and make a nice display for the nice knives that we're going to be sending you, hopefully. So anyway, what we've got here is the 15 slot, there we go, the 15 slot knife block. All right, we're using, the block is made out of acacia wood. Now, we did a little research on acacia wood. It's a good hardwood, and it's found in Asia, Australia, and Africa. It's a very sustainable wood. It's a good hardwood. It's got antimicrobial and moisture resistant properties to it, which make it ideal for what we do here around the kitchen. So again, I'm going to just take this out of the box. EnoKing is a good Amazon seller, so this came rather quickly, and wrapped in the plastic, and we're gonna see what we can put in it. So here's the profile. Okay, here's the profile. So looking at it, like most wood blocks here, let's start off with the lower rack, and we're going to be using our steak knives. So we'll put, looks like it's going to hold 6 steak knives. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have my special steak knife. I'm going to put that there. So here we go. So we've got my 6 steak knives. There's this small, let's see, the small one that goes for our steel. We all know how important our steel is. Let's see, we got our big knives here, so we're going to have our big chef's knife. We're going to have room for my bread knife. Let's see, I have a Santico knife. Let's see, I got some of my paring knives. Let's see what I got. Room for my paring knife. Is this one going to fit? This one will fit. These are my herb scissors. And we'll go there. All right, so there we go. That's pretty much my entire knife. All the knives that I use on a regular basis are going to be sitting here at the ready to be used whenever I need. So I've got that open slot. I wonder what we're going to do next with it. Anyway, so I'm going to have the link down below on the this knife block. It's very reasonably priced, And like I said, a space saver. We got, just gonna put 14 knives and a pair of scissors. We've got the acacia wood. EnoKing. I like it. Looks good. It's gonna be right here. Sweet Willy's Kitchen. So, I want to thank everybody for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Feel free to comment, subscribe, hit the like button, all those great things. And we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.